Oh hi, welcome to the video. In this video, we are going to be doing terminal commands. It's very important. If you are a programmer, you should know the basics of terminal, how to create a directory, how to delete a directory, how to copy files, move files, and stuff like that. So in this video, we are going to master terminal commands. So let's get started. Hi, welcome to the video. Let's learn the basic of command line. So the first command would be, in order to go to any directory, so what you can do is you can say cd and you can say desktop. So this will basically bring you on the desktop. So in order to create a folder or in order to see the list of files on the desktop, say ls, or if you want if you want to clear it, you can say clear. You can say also ls tech l, it will give you a list view or more detailed view. Right now, in order to create a folder, the command is mkdir and the name of the folder. So I'm gonna say cmd as my name of the folder. Here you can see the folder is created. Now I'm going to show you a small shortcut here. In order to go to the directory, you can say cd and cmd you will type, but no need to type it. Just hit the tab button and the computer will auto-complete that for you. So here you can see I am on the cmd right now. If I do ls, there is nothing inside that folder. Now if I want to create a file, what would you do? You would click on the mouse and create a new text file. No need to do that. So the command is touch. So let's create a readme file, readme.txt. So now if I do ls, here you see the file has been created. That's pretty much easy, right? Now again, let's do ls. Now I want to create one more folder inside this known as templates. So mkdir templates. So if I do ls, here you can see it has templates. So inside, if I want to go inside the template, cd and just hit the tab button. So just type t and hit the tab button. So now you are inside the template. Now let's make one more file inside that known as base.html. So touch space base.html and let's clear the screen. So here you see the base.html has been created. If you want to go out, cd and two dots, that means I want to go out one directory out. So if I do ls, so now you are inside the main directory. So now if I want to copy the readme.txt, how do I do that, guys? In terminal, we can say cp and we can just simple say r and then hit the tab button to autocomplete, and I want to say copy underscore readme.txt. So if I do again clear the screen, so if I clear the screen, here you can see we have a copy readme.txt. That's pretty easy, right? Now let me teach you one more thing. If I want to basically if I want to remove any file, if I want to remove any directory, how do I do that? So let's say I want to remove copy or I want to rename the copy underscore readme.txt. How do I do that, guys? So to rename, it's simple. It's mv and the name of the file. So co, hit the tab button for autocomplete, and I'm gonna give a new name. So I'm gonna say origi original.txt. Clear the screen, ls. So now you can see it's original.txt. That's pretty easy, right? Now I want to remove this original.txt. So to remove the file, it's rm or hit the tab, simple, clear ls. So here you can see the file has been removed. Pretty much easy, right? Now let me teach you how to delete directories. So we know that there's a directory known as templates. So if you do rm template, so it won't work, right? So to remove a directory, what you need to do, guys, is rm tech r or f for force if you want to force it. So templates, and now if you see, it's deleted. Beautiful, right? So this was the basic. Now let me show you one more stuff. If I do ls, I have readme.txt, right? If I want to edit the readme.txt, so I can say nano readme.txt and I can say, I can write any text inside this. Hello, my name is Somil Shah. Hello. I'm gonna show you one more command. My name is I'm gonna say Vivek, and hello, my name is Nitin Shah. To save it, say Control on the Mac and the O button, hit enter. Just save, Control and Z. Oops, sorry for that. So just gonna save it, and I'm just gonna press Control to exit out. The command is simple. So I can say Control. So here you can see Command X. So now hit enter or say Y, and that's it. So now just to make sure that that file was being we edited that file, so you can again say nano readme.txt. Now you can see it's already there. Okay, so we learned the nano command. Now I want to show you one more command, that is grep command on terminal. So it's, if you want to find any text which is there inside the text file, so I can oops, sorry for that. Let me do an ls quickly. I'm gonna say grep. I'm gonna say I want to find sawmill. Is sawmill there in readme.txt? So here you can see this line, my name sawmill is there in that file. So this command is used to find text inside any text file using the grep command. So I would stop my video right here. It's pretty easy. I showed you how powerful it is. If you are a programmer, a lot of people use terminal, you know, it's pretty quick. They create directories, remove directories, copy, paste, move, rename, and stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if so, do give a like. And want to learn more, let me know. If you want any videos in specific, let me know by doing that in the comment section below. And please do subscribe to my channel. I try my best to create the best contents for you. So that's it. Thank you for your love, support, and see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.